everyone, welcome back. I'm Steph, if you don't already know, but I'm sure most of you do. So this week, you've seen I made some more paper, which actually, I think I'll show you. Hold on a second. Okay, so, there's some leaves and things there. Here's some pretty handmade paper. So I have these in bundles in the shop. They're not all covered in rose petals like this. I just think they're quite cute to pop in between some of them. But they are, you can get them in just normal sheets. So they're a white pink and a slight light pink. Probably can't quite see it on the camera. They are really, really light, but they feel so nice. I reckon they'd be really good for watercolors like I did a while ago with my test ones. So if you're looking for beautiful handmade recycled paper, then there is some in the shop. The shop has gone live, by the way. We have the shop update is done, or it will be when you guys watch this, because today is Thursday and it goes live today at 4. What else have we done this week? I did a couple of paintings. I'm not 100% happy with them, so I might do them again. My thoughts for that was, I'm thinking about doing like I want to say like a witch's self-care sticker sheet, but I'm not sure if it's going to turn out like that. What I have is some sage sticks that I'd like to turn into stickers. So I'm gonna maybe put some more plants and herbs and stuff in there as well and have a sticker sheet for that. That's my plan anyway. Plans do change though. What else have we done this week? This morning I did a meeting with some college students to talk about having a small business and using social media to promote it. So thank you for that, and if you guys are watching, hello. And yeah, I've just been really busy trying to get this shop update done, and I think we're gonna go ahead and maybe do another sage painting. Yeah, let's just go ahead and do that. Why not? last week you guys seen the bookmarks and they pretty much just looked like this, just regular with curved edges, but I went ahead and I ordered tassels for them, so they now come with these pretty dark red tassels, which I just thought that made them look a lot cuter, made them look a lot prettier. I think I might get some olive green coloured ones. I think they might look nice as well. But just to let you know that they are now in the shop if you want to go and have a look, for all you book lovers and mushroom lovers. So you should go check them out. Also in the shop, I showed you guys last week the wall art, the mushroom wall art. I've packaged a few of them up already. They will come with their own mini version of the mushroom sticker, which I thought was quite cute. A little free sticker to go with them. There's one there, look. Super cute. And also there is this one. I haven't got the back done for it yet, but looks a little bit see-through. You'll be able to see it. It is a mushroom mandala wall art, wall hanging, which I thought was really cute. We do have this as a sticker in the shop, but with it being round and it fitting perfectly on here, I just thought it was really cute. So it'll be in the shop, but with a back to it, obviously, because I'm not going to sell it like this. Okay, so I think that's enough of me being silly for 1 week. So that is it for this week. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. Next week, if I get enough paintings done, I might show you the process of how I create sticker sheets. But we'll have to kind of play it by ear because I might not get that many paintings done. But we'll see. If not, I'm sure I'll have something really cool and exciting to show you. So thanks everyone, and we will see you next time.